Right. Oh,
Sure.
hello, everyone.
Hi, hi. Shall we start? Can anyone voluntarily tell me what are the topics which we discussed on the last session? Naveen, can we go ahead?
Bro, just 2 minutes, bro. I'm at outside.
Sure.
I'll reach home in 2 minutes.
Okay. Meantime, we can go for Asma. Can you just recall what are the topics which we discussed on the last session?
Yes. Yesterday we discussed how to create a table, in that how to insert, how to alterate or giving any rename or how to update. After that we go to conditions and in between or.
Okay.
After that we discussed about like. After that about distinct. Later how to give order by or how to give having in select statement or
Awesome.
next group by.
Yes, you are right. And Asma, what we call about all these clauses, right? Whatever they were telling, having, group by, listing, all these are we call it as in a clauses.
Clauses, yes, having clauses.
Like all these topics, does anyone having any doubts?
No,
No,
no, no,
you guys are having any doubts?
no, not having
Right? If
doubts.
not, we can just move ahead with the next topics. All good?
Yeah, okay.
Awesome. Today we are going to discuss about the functions. The functions are nothing but there are five functions. One is a count, other one is a sum, then the max. Sure. And for Venkatesh, Venkat, and Dinesh, there is a last session all related to practical, which we discuss. Everything is recorded. I recommend you to guys after this session, like or else tomorrow class in the weekend, you can just go through for the recording session. If you guys are having any doubt, we'll clear it on. Everything will be clear it on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Sure. And today we are going to discuss about the functions. Especially for the aggregate functions, we are going to discuss first. What are the aggregate functions? We have five different aggregate functions. One is a count, other one is a sum, then the third one is a max, fourth one is a mean, then the fifth one is a average. These all terminology we heard it already in like schoolings as well. But how these logics will be including in like how we are applying in a SQL language, right? That we can see. And also note while writing a query, a SQL query using the aggregate function, we cannot use a column name without a group by class. Just remember, okay? This is important one. That's why I'm telling it as a note.
So sorry, bro. Come again, come again.
While writing a query using the aggregate function, we cannot use a column name without a group by. If you want to use a column name, that should be
Okay.
any doubt in this particular sentence. Like in the last practical session also, I just explained you guys, if we are using aggregate function in a select statement, along with the any of the column, those columns should be present in a group by, otherwise this query will not execute. It will throw the error, right? Did you remember?
Yes, bro, yes, bro.
Yes.
Okay. First one we can discuss about the count. What the definition of the count is, count function is used to count the number of rows which are present in a particular table. Okay. Let's, let me share my screen. Let me know once it's visible. Is it visible? Okay.
Yeah, bro.
I'm just opening the SQL Oracle. Once we click on the test on our desktop, like it will open a window for writing a SQL queries. Okay. Let's see. As we all know, already I created a select employee table. I'm taking that as an example. Okay, under the employee, these many values are already present, which we are already inserted. So we can see the first aggregate function called count, right? For example, select count of star from EMP. So what it will use the number of rows which are present in a particular table. And under the EMP table, how many rows which are present, those number of records, it will display on a query output. Are you getting my point, guys? I'm just repeating it again. First, look at the employee table. If you look on the 1 to 9, right? If you look on the row counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Under the employee table, there are 7 rows. If we provide a count of star means it will not take individual like these employee job column because it will count on the rows. That's why I tell the definition of this how exactly it work. The count means the count function is used to count the number of rows present in a table. These are all the rows. These we call it as in a columns. Got it? Say yes or no, guys.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. We are going to look for few other examples as well. For example, select count of, for example, what is the employee number or else see if I provide a select count of employee number column, again it will show the count is equal to 9 only. We'll do one thing under the job, right? The count of job, again it will use 9. What we can see if the employee number, let's answer total. What I am taking initially, I just taken a select a count of star from EMP. It means that number of rows is present in the same again. If you want to take the individual column wise also, and what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the count of employee numbers. Under this particular table, what is the count? Let me show you. Employee number. These many number of counts it is showing because we can just apply the. Here we can get the table wise. Here we can get the count of column wise. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
yes, get it.
Also, we can just use any other column.
వెంకట్ ఇది ఎందుకు కౌంట్ యూస్ చేస్తాం ప్రజెంట్ అంటే ఎందుకని
జస్ట్ కౌంట్ చూడడమే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్. మనం ఏమన్నా కాలం వైజ్ రికార్డ్ చూస్తుంటే ఇక్కడైతే మనకు తెలుసు జస్ట్ లెస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కౌంట్స్ ఉంది, ఫింగర్ కౌంట్స్ వీ కెన్ మాన్యువల్లీ కౌంట్ ఇట్, రైట్?
ఓకే
For example, if you having one particular table having a used data, it containing more than lakhs together, then we cannot count it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? For that period of time, directly we can use the select count of, if you want the particular column records from particular table, you will get the how many records which are present under the that particular column. If మీరు ఏ కాలంలో మెన్షన్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా సెలెక్ట్ కౌంట్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్ అని ఇస్తే ఇది టేబుల్ వైజ్ రికార్డ్స్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుంది. మీకేమో టేబుల్ వైజ్ కాకుండా పర్టికులర్ కాలం వైజ్ రికార్డ్స్ కావాలంటే అప్పుడు కౌంట్ ఆఫ్ కాలం నేమ్ ఇచ్చేస్తే ఆ కాలంలో ఎన్ని రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కౌంట్ ఇస్తుంది. క్లియర్?
యా
గైస్, ఎవరీవన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు, రైట్? లైక్ దినేష్ అండ్ వెంకట్.
Understood.
Yes, I understood.
Because last session what they requested, if we go through the Telugu session only, it would be more understanding. Most of the times I'm speaking in English only. If you guys are few concepts which are not understandable, then I'm going to explain in Telugu as well.
guys anyone not understand please raise the hand. Venkat is available. If you have any doubts please raise the
Okay.
This is very simple, guys. Just a basic syntax which we can use it for looking for the number of records which are present in a column, and also we can look for the table records. Apart from that, no way we are using the wherever you want it, you can just apply this count. Okay. The next one is we can go for the sum. Sum function used to sum the total salary. This sum we are using only for the financial columns. For example, in this employee table, do you have any other financial column? No, right? Except this. Salary is the only one column we are having a financial one, right? Hello.
yeah
Guys, at least someone say yes or no like that. Because I'm sharing this.
yes Venkat.
Yeah. The topic which we are discussing about the sum function. Sum function is used to sum the total salary. Not only salary, because in this particular column we don't have any other financial column. Salary is the only column having the income, a certain amount we have salary which they are getting for the respective employees, that we are going to add up. Sum is nothing but add. It is nothing but the number of records which are present. Everything is going to be add. Let's see the syntax of sum. Select sum of salary from EMP. This query will give the output. This total of adding all these values, it gives the one result set output. Let's see what is the value. If someone does the manual calculation to add on the entire records, these many salary amount, then you will get the value of 14,250. That's what we are getting from this query. Is it clear?
Yes Venkat.
And also we can,
Yes, please.
I'm going to give you one more example. We can look, for example, look here. For a salesman or clerk having a 3 different names, right? But their salary is different. We'll check on this particular query. Correct? Count, sorry, easy count. Sum of salary as a, I'm giving a one alias as a total salary, okay? Whatever name we want, we can use it as an alias name from EMP, where job is equal to I can give, which one you want it, guys? These are, I can tell you both example, clerk and the salesman. Is it clear? Let me show you why it's getting only the 3350 value. Because in this employee table, what this query will do means looking for the job column, what are the values which is present under the clerk name. There are three entries which is mentioned in the clerk name. Job is equal to clerk. These are the three entries. Then this particular query sum of salary means it is going to add the all three values which are related to job is equal to clerk. If you manually add these values 1100 plus 1300, this is 2400, 2400 plus 950, what we are getting here. The total sum will be 3350. Is it clear? If you want to, we can check for the not only particular job, we can check by department number also. You can see that example as well. Okay. Department number is equal to 20 or 30. Is it clear, guys? If you look on the employee table here, how many entries which are present in department number is equal to 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 entries. If we are going to add all these 6 entry value, 950 plus 1500 plus 1250 plus 1250 plus 1600 plus 2850. And the total sum of this particular 6 entry is equal to this value 9400. Are you getting?
Yes, yes, getting.
Yeah. This is all about the sum. We can go for the third one. That was a maximum. Maximum function is used to filter the maximum like of the data, but in a particular table. It might be a character or a number. For example, if I provide a select, okay, the max of salary from employee table. What is the value which we are getting among these all these 9 entries, which is the maximum salary. Blake, his job position is equal to manager, having a salary is 2850, right? This is the value which we are expecting because of if we compare other values, 2850 is a maximum salary in this particular table. Are you getting my point?
Oh, yes, Venkat.
Let's see some example with syntax. Select. We are using a max of salary from EMP. As I mentioned, the maximum salary will be at 2850. That was the employee name is equal to Blake. Similarly, if you want to check by according to the department wise also, we can take a look on that as well. See, the maximum number of department is 30. I can go with that only. Just a minute. Just copying down here. Instead of we can provide the max of salary. PV department number is equal to 30. Before fetching this output, what is the expected value? Under the department 30, what is the maximum value? 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. The maximum value which is again the 2850 only, right? Are you getting my point?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Like especially these are very simple one. You just need to just remember the syntax. If you want a particular table maximum record, you can just use the max of that particular salary column from particular table. Similarly, if you want the total number of counts, how many records which are present in a table, then we can go for a count. Then if you want to add all the values financial one, then you can go for a sum. The fourth one is minimum, or we are using for a command as a mean. The min function is used to filter the minimum data which is present in a particular table. It may be a character or number. Then under the employee table, earlier we check for the maximum value which are maximum salary which is present under the these many transactions. We said maximum is a 2850. If we are providing a command is select min of salary from this particular table means we are expecting the value called 950. Let's see. Select min of salary from EMP. Right? We are getting a 950 only. Similarly, same thing if we want to go for it, we can go by applying load condition at the particular department as well. Instead of max, we can use min. If we are going with the minimum, what is the value we are expecting it again? 950 is come under 30. Instead of 30, we can go for a 10, right? Because I've already seen the 30. If we are looking for a department number is equal to 10, how many entries we have in this table? 1, 2. One the entry is a 1300, other one is a 2450. If we are providing a min of this particular table value means what we are expecting the value should be a 1300. Are you clear guys? Let's see what is the value we are coming here. Correct?
Yeah, bro.
Yes, correct.
Then the last and foremost, average. Average function is used to find the average of salary in a table. For example, Akil is getting a first month salary will be around 2000. Second month salary is getting again 2000. Third month salary he was getting on 4000. And again, fifth month salary was getting as an 4000. Average what will do? It is going to add all those 4 month salary dividing by 2. Let's see some of the examples. Again, I'm telling you the definition. Average function is used to find the average of the salary in a particular table. And also, I'm telling it when you are checking for the sum of like financial value, right? Note, then data type should be a number. It should not be a varchar or character. It should be a number. Is it clear for everyone? Especially for any of the financial fields, always data type should be a number.
Okay.
It should not be a varchar or character.
For for all functions, right, bro? I mean, some may average all should be only number. Right?
No, when it comes to the count, now data type may be a number or character. If there is no other employee table, if you are looking for any other column, right? See, if there is any financial, you are going to apply count for example, this particular table, right? The count function. If you check for the earlier, we done it here. What is the count of commission? The commission is again. Let me show you. Same. Count of commission instead of I'm just taking as a employee name. Okay. See, still it was showing 9. This count function we are not applying only financial, right? It is applying by the column wise. That's why I'm saying the
Okay,
count
got it.
might count data type may be a number or a character. Similarly, for when you are applying for sum, data type should be a number.
Okay. This count is only for how many columns are there?
I
Like,
will tell you guys. For average and the sum, it should always be a number. For rest, min, max, then the count, it should be a character or number.
okay.
Let's see few other
Got it, bro.
examples. Sorry, you got it now?
Ah, yeah, bro.
Let's see few other examples of average. For example, select average salary 2020. The average salary of the 9 entries will be 158333. Select top from here. Guys, are you getting my point? Whatever the salary which they are getting for all these 9 employees, if we are adding all those things, if we take an average of this salary, adding all those values, if we are dividing into equally, then the average will be 158333 per a month. Got it?
Yeah, bro.
If you want to look
Yes.
for a particular rows wise, then we can go for it, like job or department wise. Let's show you one more example. Select. I will tell you one more thing. When we are looking for year, right, the value will be a 158333 a number of times, right? Maximum length. So if you want to figure it for round one, just to show you, this is also another function which we can use for the round the value. Look, what it is doing now. If the value is 51583666, then the round of value will be converting into 1584. If the any value of the decimal places going up to 5, then it will automatically convert into a next value. That is the advantage of doing the round function. Okay.
Okay. Bro, what if you want after a decimal, 2 digits is there, bro? I mean,
Okay. For example,
with,
what I mentioned in this, let me show you. You are getting a value here. I got your point. I will remove round here. See, it's wrong with okay, another column. Here the value is 1583. You want after the 2 decimal place instead of all those things, right? You just wanted a 3, right?
yeah, yes, bro.
Okay, whatever the column you wanted, right? For example, I will show you. Select round off salary into from year end.
What to,
Are you getting?
bro, is it came like, okay, I think,
Sorry? Did you understand or not?
no, bro. I am actually asking that after point, in decimals, after point, I
Mm-hmm.
need like 3, no, bro. I didn't
Uh-huh.
got that average. 1583.33.
Okay, just a minute. We'll do that as well. Ravan, average. I will send you the screenshot of my Oracle DB one, like SMS which we are using. Whatever the column which you want to round it, right, for the financial one, if you taken the round of that particular column, comma, whatever the till decimal point you want it, right, those value if you mention, those will display. I will send you in a WhatsApp group. Okay, guys, just allow me
Okay.
one more minute. Right away I'm sending it to you. Okay, I'm sending it in a WhatsApp group. Guys, this is a confidential. Check on your WhatsApp, guys. I think Naveen, you get it right. Whatever the value you're expecting. Hello.
Yeah, bro. I got it.
Because of some of the version which is having a some restriction, because of that we are not getting into it. The same syntax which I used in other one, we get the value, right?
Yeah, yes, bro.
Yes.
It
Because
got
of
some different.
the version and the limitation, according to that few commands which we cannot execute it on individual Oracle SQL development.
Okay,
This is all
got
about
it.
average. Any doubts, guys, for average?
Clear, bro.
Anyone? No doubts, right? Can we move ahead with the next topic?
Yeah, bro.
Yes, bro.
So if you want, you can
Yeah.
delete this screenshot,
Yeah,
bro.
I will delete it. The next topics which we can go for the character function. The character functions are, by using a character function we can convert the data from one format to another format. Okay, this is a definition. If somebody asks what is a character function, by these are these are the different types of character functions. By using these we can convert the data from one particular format to another format. Okay.
Okay.
uh, these are the different types of character function. The first one is a init init cap. The second one is a L trim. The third one is a R trim. The fourth one is a trim. Fifth one is a upper. Sixth one is a lower. Seventh one is a NVL. Eighth one is a NVL2. There are 8 different character functions. Let's begin with the one by one. First one we can go with the L trim. So sorry, first one you can go with the init cap. Okay. For example, select star from EMP. Let's see what is the value which are present in this. In this table, no the column is having a small letter, right? So let's create a one table. In that we can add according to the whatever the values which we require. No small letters which are present in this particular name. Everything already first letter will be in a capital. So we can create a one table. Let's select star from. some table exists. Okay. No worries. Can anyone help me out? Last session we discussed how to create a table, right? Can anyone tell me a syntax? How to create a table? Naveen?
Create table name
Okay.
like ID, value, number, name, number.
Then the name, then we are giving a data type, then we are mentioning size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. One moment. Sorry, bro. Sorry for the disturbance.
No worries, no worries.
Name, worker, place.
This is the syntax again. I'm repeating it. Create a table, table name. Under that, whatever the column we just wanted, I'm just mentioning as of now ID column. That particular data type is a number. Then the mentioning column is called name. The data type will be a varchar. The size of that particular column will be a 30 maximum size. Then the third column is place. The varchar again data type. Then the size will be mentioning 25. So now we should insert the value, right? Can anyone tell me insert how to insert the value?
Insert into
Okay. Next,
ID like number. It will take like integer. It will take
enter
name.
insert into table name, then the
Okay.
value, open bracket, the respective column we can just provide the value. The first ID I'm giving as the one, the name as giving as a Naveen. So what I'm doing here, everything I will write it in a small letters. Okay,
Yeah.
Naveen.
Quotations
Next
like that.
one I'm using it as a place will be a Hyderabad.
Quotations are mandatory, no, bro.
Yes, for ID numerical is not required for anything varchar or character. For those within a single quotes, the mentioning the values is very important.
Hold on.
See, one row is inserted. Similarly, I'm going to add a few other names in this particular table. Putting it as a two. Before the naming, I'm gonna give you a space.
Hello. Yeah.
Akhil is from BNG.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Okay.
name
From
is
which app password? Can you speak English?
Sheikh. After this, I'm giving a one space. He is also from Hyderabad.
I
I'm
didn't
telling it again.
understand.
I'm just
I don't know
inserting the value. The
from
first row is
which.
ID is equal to 1. The name is Naveen. Everything will be in a small letter.
Hello.
City place will be a Hyderabad.
How
For
you get
second
my
value, I'm just
contact?
inserting into the ETL table. The
How
ID is
you
equal
my
to
get
2. Then
contact?
the value is Akil. Before the Akil, there
No,
is a
no, no. I
space.
Space.
don't want to
There is
know.
a one space. A location place will be a Bangalore. Third value is the ID is equal to 3. Then the name is equal to Sheikh. After the Sheikh, there is a space. Then the Hyderabad. I'm going to insert all these values. The values are inserted. Just allow me 1 minute, guys. I'm getting a call.
Dinesh Venkat, are you understand the queries? Please,
Yes, sir.
if you have any have doubts, please raise the hand. If you don't understand, please raise the hand.
Okay, bro.
Praveen, on you. Hello, Praveen.
హలో బ్రో.
సో అది నాకు అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు?
అర్థమవుతుంది. సారీ గైస్, ఐమ్ బ్యాక్. ఐ గాట్ ఎనీ కాల్.
యా, నో ప్రాబ్లం మీకు.
Already my screen is visible, right? So these three values are inserted. Let's check whether those rows are inserted or not. Select from ETL. Look, these all three entries are already made entries. If I want to do something again, I'm going to add one more time.
చెప్పురా.
Akhil.
ఆ,
See, then now the two entries are Akhil, two entries are Naveen,
ఆ,
one entry from Shaykh. Okay.
క్లాస్లో
And
ఉన్నాము
Next,
మరి చేస్తాం.
why
సరే
you
పర్లేదు,
giving
వదిలే ఇంకా
spaces
నేను ఈ
before
సెక్షన్
Akhil
క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్
after
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్
Shaykh?
because
ఉంటే
there
చెప్తాను.
is a
సరే,
we
ఓకే.
are discussing about
బాయ్.
this values now. I just wanted to show some examples how it's going
Yeah,
to work the
okay.
character functions. That's why.
Okay, okay.
Let's discuss about the first point. What is the init cap? Init cap, it converts the first letters into a capital letter, remaining all are same. Like for example, what it does init cap function is, if Naveen is there now, if we are providing a init cap of that name, then it means this particular name Naveen is there now, the first letter, especially for the first letter N, is going to convert it as a capital letter.
Okay.
Right
Okay.
now, which is the in a table, the values are in small letters, all the entries are in small letter. We are going to convert that into a capital letter, especially for the first letter of the name.
Starting letter of the name.
Yep. Let's see. Select employee number, comma. We want it for the name, right? int in init cap. This is a command. Open bracket, the name. We are applying that, right? So I'm not applying here id. Sorry, it's my bad. From ETL. I'm just running this command. id init cap ename from ETL, right? What's wrong with this? Oracle invalid identifier. We cannot. There is no ename, only the name. That's why I'm taking a reference as an ETL employee. No, that's why. Look, guys. Earlier, all these names which are present under the name, right? All those are in small letter. Now, after providing this init cap command under the particular name column, then the values which are present in that particular table under the name column, it got changed. First letter should be a capital, right?
Yeah, okay, bro. Select ID, mid cap, name, select cap.
If
Yeah,
any
bro.
of the character columns are named something, if the first letter you want the capital, then we need to use a command called init cap. INITCAP.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh, got it, bro. And what if we want all letters in capital letter, bro?
Sorry, there are no such kind of commands in SQL.
Okay. Only first letter will become like
Yes,
small to capital.
yes.
Okay.
The next command is, our next function is ltrim. Ltrim is nothing, stands for left trim.
Okay, okay.
Somebody asked you, right, already, why you are providing a space before the Akhil,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
What exactly left trim is does means it removes the left side of the space
Space.
from that particular column or particular value. That's why I
Okay.
provided the entry as in a space Akhil.
Okay.
Let's see. Select L train
comma
open bracket name
ID you going to give bro.
ID
Select
వాట్ ఎవర్ ద కాలం మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. మనం అప్లై చేసిన ఓన్లీ నేమ్ కదా, ఐడిలో క్యారెక్టర్ లేదు కాబట్టి కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వదు.
not
అందుకోసం
no need to
ఇట్స్
take
నాట్
it.
రిక్వైర్డ్. There is no space before this Akhil. There is a space, right? Now the
Yeah.
space is removed.
Okay, oh, got it.
Can we go for the next command? These are the very simple one, guys. The init
Yeah.
is nothing but we are going to convert the first letter of the name should be a capital. Similarly, for the L trim is nothing but if there are any spacing between that particular column, left side, it removes the space, then it will give the original value.
R trim. R
R
trim
trim
is
is
like
nothing but if there are any space in the right side,
it will
then it
remove
removes
it.
that space. Let me show you.
Got it, bro.
Select or trim name from ETL. Like I provided the space between shake, right? After the shake,
Okay.
that has removed.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Is it clear, guys?
That's good.
The
Yes.
fourth one is trim. Only the trim. There is no L trim. There are no R trim.
Just
What
remove
exactly
this
trim
package,
does
right?
means it trims the right side and left side of the space in a particular column. Left is nothing
Okay.
but it remove only the space from left side. R trim is nothing but only remove the space from right side. If you are using only a trim, by default it will remove the spacing between left side and right side of the column value.
Okay.
Syntax is also very simple. Select trim select trim name instead of trim I returned wrong. That's fine.
కాస్త పల్లెటూరులే కదా.
That is muted. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Navin, you asked me, right? Like if you want all these names in capital letter.
Venkat, please wait. Navin left. He network issue. He joined.
Okay, then we'll wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Navin also joined. Yeah, please tell me. Yeah.
Sorry, bro.
No worries, no worries. Just allow me 1 minute.
Ganesh, please mute.
Okay, waiting for anyone?
Oh no, he's getting the call, please.
Okay.
Naveen, have you installed for SQL development?
No, bro. Actually,
చెప్పండి
laptop,
ఏం చెప్తుంది?
Venkat.
laptop,
No,
sorry,
యా వెంకట్ అందుకనే ఏం లేదు అందరికి ఎవరైనా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారా ఎస్క్యూ డెవలపర్ అని దానికోసం.
ఓకే ఓకే. నవీన్ నువ్వే కదా నాకు డౌట్ అడిగింది. ఇందాక నన్ను యూనిట్ క్యాప్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ మాత్రం క్యాపిటల్ చేస్తానంటే అన్ని లెటర్స్కి ఫుల్ నేమ్కి ఏదైనా క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ చేయొచ్చా అని.
అవును బ్రో.
ఎస్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ కమాండ్. ఎందుకు చెప్పలేదంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అని చెప్పలేదు, ఇప్పుడు చెప్తా నెక్స్ట్.
ఓకే.
ఎల్ ట్రిమ్ ఆర్ ట్రిమ్ ట్రిమ్ యూనిట్ క్యాప్ అయింది కదా, ఫిఫ్త్ కమాండ్ విల్ బి అప్పర్ కేస్. అప్పర్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే అప్పర్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఇట్ కన్వర్ట్స్ ఆల్ ద లోవర్ కేసెస్ ఇంటూ అప్పర్ కేసెస్. లెట్స్ సీ. సెలెక్ట్ ఐడి comma upper open bracket name from.
Bro, when we are giving syntax, we can give in small letters also, no, bro? Or
This
else,
is not at all case sensitive. If you want, you can use a one letter as a small, one letter as capital. That's up to you. There is no case sensitive here.
okay.
Whatever you want, you can use it. Got it now?
Yeah. That's
What I'm doing when I'm using the select the ID column, upper I'm applying a function called upper, then that particular column called name from my ETL table. So earlier, before providing this command, the value should be in a small letter, then it's converted into a upper.
Yeah. Is another command is like lower, bro. It is
Lower is
upper is
nothing but
like
again, if everything is capital, right, then it's going to a small letters. The lower is nothing but converts all the uppercase into a lowercase values.
okay.
Show you that I will select. Right now we just see everything will be in uppercase, right? Select. The same syntax I'm using it instead of command upper, I will use lower. Look, it's converted back into original position with the small letters. Is it clear?
హలో.
Yes, bro.
Then the seventh command function will be NVL. NVL is nothing but it stands for all null values. By using this function, we can replace null values by some values. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్విఎల్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏదో కాలంలో వాల్యూ 0 ఉంటుంది, ఆ కాలంలో ఏదో వాల్యూ వేయాలంటే ఎన్విఎల్ ఫంక్షన్ మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Bro, అర్థం కాలేదు bro.
NVL, why we are using a NVL function? By using this NVL function, we can replace the null values by some values. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో కాలంలో వాల్యూ నల్ ఉంటుంది, అసలు ఇక్కడ అఖిల్ అనే లేదు, బ్లాంక్ ఉంటుంది.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో వాల్యూ చూపిస్తాను మీకు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ 4 అని తీసుకుంటా ఐడి, షేక్ బదులు ఇక్కడ తీసేస్తా. ఇక్కడ బ్లాంక్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ ఏం బ్లాంక్ ఉంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్విఎల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మీకు చూస్తాను. సెలెక్ట్ బేసికల్ ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏదో కాలంలో వాల్యూస్ ఏమి ఉండదు, బ్లాంక్ ఉంటుంది కానీ 0 ఉంటుంది. ఆ వాల్యూలో మనం ఏదైనా ఒక వాల్యూ చేయాలంటే ఎన్విఎల్ ఫంక్షన్ వాడతాం. సింటాక్స్ ఏమంటే ఎన్విఎల్ సెలెక్ట్ ఐడి కామా NVL open bracket name. Okay, we can mention this as a null. Okay, NVL name should provide some values in the name comma project. There should be not taking it because of this, not the financial value, right? Okay, let's take it as another example. So let's start from ETL. It should apply for the financial value, not the ETL. Yeah. Okay. If I use select, if anything want it name, right? Employee name, comma. Then I just wanted a employee number as well. Then I will go with NVL open bracket. Where is the null values? Yes, under the commission we have null. So I can mention commission comma. I'm replacing value by some value from PMP. Look guys, when I am looking for a value table here, if you look on the manager position, job is equal to manager, employee name is equal to Blake, right? Under the commission column, we are having a null value. Both the
Okay.
two manager position, the commission is equal to null. Similarly, for all the clerk values, having the null values. So what NVL function is does means it replaces the null value by some other value, whatever the value which we are giving here, that replacing it here. If you want instead of 1000, right, you can mention 99. Commission comma 99. Okay, if I'm run this table, look, Blake, clerk, wherever it's null now, those value replacing null by getting a value called 99.
Yes.
Is it clear? Basically, NVL, we are using a replacing some null value by some any other value.
Okay.
And similarly, we do have one more value, one more function called NVL2. NVL2, how it works means, let me show you. Select employee number, NVL2, again, commission, comma, there is a 500, right? Then the 500, then replacing by 88.
Okay. Replacing by another value instead
Yeah,
of
from
500.
PMP. I will tell you on this one. What is the 500? Look guys, wherever the null value earlier it has, like 99 value, that particular value, the 500, the replacing by 88. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
These are the very basics one. If you just remember for the syntaxes, that is more than enough. But you should remember when the situation arises, what kind of commands or what kind of function which we are using, that is a crucial. That's what I'm telling
Oh,
you. Every session after the session, you guys need to practice theoretically. Whenever you got some time, you guys can also get the hands-on experience by using downloading this any of the Oracle SQL developer. Then practice it. You will remember.
Yeah, Venkat.
okay, bro. Bro, one doubt, bro, here.
Mm-hmm.
And what about those blanks, bro? You told that before null,
Mm-hmm.
only blanks is there, means
That time you can use the
what?
replace command because annual function is particularly it is taking as a null because of null is taking it as a varchar, right? It's a character word.
Hmm.
There might be a values in particular value, blank value, null value, not available, not applicable, and so on so. But this particular function, we are replacing it by null value only. The statement it seems telling the null values by using this NVL function, we can replace the some value.
Okay. If it is blank also, null
Before
only,
getting free
that one.
AI dental screening on
Yes.
WhatsApp, get your AI dental code
Okay.
and dentist membership.
Any doubts, guys?
No doubt. Yeah, bro.
Please do practice and recall all the concepts what we are discussed today. And tomorrow session, I'm going into a joins. That was a very important class.
Yeah, bro.
With practical, we can because in more often in real time experience, we are working with the joints only. That's why even you guys also need to more focus on the joints.
Bro, tomorrow at what time, bro? Class same time or
Tomorrow we can schedule a call around tomorrow Thursday, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do one thing. We'll take a class on tomorrow morning because
Yeah.
of
It's a, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
having a client call tomorrow.
At what time, bro?
8 to 9,
Okay, bro.
or if it's not possible, 8:30 to 9:30.
How much? What time, Venkat?
8:30 to 9:30, we can fix it.
Is anyone, guys? Is anything okay? Fine.
Anybody having any concern related to that particular time slot? If not, we
No,
can
no.
take a time slot.
Asma, you?
No, I'm okay with that time.
So, Lavanya?
Yeah, I am okay.
Okay. Praveen?
No, bro. Okay, bro.
Okay. Okay, I will arrange for 8:30 tomorrow class section. Please, guys, I shared the link in Oracle installation. This completely is Oracle and both. This 20 minutes. Please install your system. Please, we have to once you practice only, then you will let you know. Because we don't have the practice, then not useful.
బ్రో అది డౌన్లోడ్ అయింది బట్ అది కమెంట్ పోర్టల్లో వస్తుంది.
No, no, Venkat, you shared the only half section. I check it in full section. Please, Praveen, can you please check it in my group? It is completely section, completely is installation.
ఓకే ఓకే
Hello.
ఓకే బ్రో.
Oh.
Bro, Venkat bro,
Ramakant,
if it is possible to you, tomorrow,
Ramak, you can just take care of that further. And I just need to jump on another call.
Yeah, sure, fine, fine.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a
Thank you.
wonderful day.
Yeah,
Very
థ్యాంక్ యూ
nice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
yeah, please.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Venkat. Thank you all.
thank you.
hello.
Hello, Naveen.
Bro.
మీరు అందరూ
అదే
ఇన్స్టాల్
సార్
చేయండి నవీన్. జహీర్, యూ
bro,
హ్యావ్ టు
నాకు
ఇన్స్టాల్ ఫర్
కొంచెం
జహీర్.
Okay, bro.
వెంకట్,
ల్యాప్టాప్
Okay, bro.
ఉంది బ్రో.
ఇప్పుడు నేను గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేశాను. అది కంప్లీట్ 24 minutes ఉంది. అది కంప్లీట్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ 19C ఒరాకిల్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ డెవలపర్.
Okay, bro.
ఓకేనా
Bro,
వెంకట్?
Ramakant bro.
యా.
చెప్పండి.
Bro, if you don't mind, we'll schedule a time for that installation, bro. I mean,
Yes.
separately without
Hmm.
Venkat. He has some work now, so that's why.
Okay. Please set up your PC. We'll let you know once
If
we
it is
discuss the
if it is
Venkat.
okay to you, when you are free time, we'll schedule the call, bro, on Saturday, like if you are free.
సరే నవీన్, సరే.
Yeah.
ఓకే.
And Dinesh, and what about you?
Huh?
Dinesh, what about you? Like you get the laptop once installation SQL developer.
Huh?
You get the laptop and please, I share the link in group. I will share you. Please installation to SQL developer. Okay. Okay. Everyone, okay, guys. And, if you have any doubts, hello.
బ్రో నా దగ్గర ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే కొంచెం పీసీ లేదు బ్రో, ల్యాప్టాప్
ఓకే,
నాది
నువ్వు
కొంచెం
స్లోగా నువ్వు తెచ్చుకున్నాకే చూడు, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయి ఒక ముందు.
సరే.
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
అండ్ ఇంకోటి, ఇన్ కేస్ నాకు ల్యాప్టాప్ దొరికినా కూడా ఎట్లా అంటే నాది పోస్ట్ గ్రేస్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఉంది బ్రో ఆ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో.
యూ లెఫ్ట్. ఓకే, చెప్పండి.
నవీన్,
బ్రో.
పోస్ట్ లో పీజీ అడ్మిన్ వాడుతావు కదా, సేమ్ ఇది ఒరాకల్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఆ పీజీ అడ్మిన్ ని ఒరాకల్ డేటాబేస్ కనెక్ట్ చేయి.
ఓకే, జస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వడం
So, అంతే. కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ వరకు చేస్తారు కదా అందరూ. కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ వరకు చేసినాక అది పీజీ అడ్మిన్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేయి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు పీజీ అడ్మిన్ నువ్వు లోకల్లో 8086 అలా ఇచ్చి కనెక్ట్